In the Garmin Connect app, I'm going to show you how to edit your training zones by updating your maximum heart rate. Once the app loads in the bottom right-hand screen, go ahead and click on More. On this page, I want you to scroll to the bottom until you find the menu item titled Garmin Devices. Go ahead and click into there. Here you'll see what devices you have connected to the app. Go ahead and click your device. And on this screen, go ahead and find User Settings and click into the User Settings. Towards the bottom, you'll see Heart Rate Zones. Go ahead and click Heart Rate Zones. And here you'll see your current training zones. And to edit these, you'll want to click the maximum heart rate value box right here. You'll be taken to this screen, which will allow you to pick your new heart rate zone. We'll just click something like 188. Now you'll see that the values have completely changed and I've updated my training zones. All we have to do is hit save. Now, if you've gotten value from this video, please don't forget to like it.